Kani gade ka Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hanya kasngi ke santri ujemang, ka pay for right club, ha ka jingat relang bat ka nip ku, kelas dang ban pelong ya ka pa, soccer cam, ban Jinghikai ki Khynnah shinrang, ki ba pra hadu khat saus Snem kerta, ki ba trang ban kieu ha ka sab ban kenjat bol. Ha kani kasngi, kumba ar spa shiphongut ki Khynnah na keleng ke sarba shilong, kilawan ban ishimenta bat ai kerta ngilade ban pentebet ya kani ka kam yelek kai. Haba persang bantuat jingmut na kinong penyat jong kani ka kelab. Ha ka jinglam khamat jong presiden ubak Frankie Kharum Nuj bat ubak rilang meliam pedak kum sekretari kila penpau ba menta ka kenti. Ki Sdang shwa da ka Jinghikai ki Khynnah shinrang bat kermen ba ha kini ki Snem banwan ken la ban Sdang ban Jinghikai ru ya ki Khynnah kan thai bat ha kini ka kenti ba menta ki Jinghikai ken long ha ki sngi sajan bat ha ki sngi shuti.
The main agenda for this camp is these young kids, we want to give the basic technique. Anything you do, basic is always important. So when it comes to basic things, not only to kick the ball, you if you need to go for the correct technique, you need to have a body balance. There you have to synchronize your body. There is a very main things. People just come and kick the ball without learning the basic things. So that is later on it will hamper their performance. So how to control the ball, how to kick the ball. Simply there is not with the leg only. So with the help of your body and hand, that is your balancing. That you can execute a proper technique in that way. That's all what we are planning to do. We have planned in future because some tournament we are going to take part in this. From this children we are going to select some players and we'll form a team and we'll take part.
This coaching camp can they have borrowed Snem. The katong hi jong ka coaching camp can they when continue Khynnah haka level ki ba fair mah nomor ba limba kani coaching camp ngatrai ba nginjo I Khynnah ki ben mikmat ja ka jela nginjo I Khynnah ki ben mikmat ja ka club haki tournament ki ba fair ki ben lang hon Snem ala ja ka pra ala ja ka kandai de kani ka coaching camp hi ngin pun how kandai tri ju banai February de bat ngin continue empat na kamtaka second session kani ka first session kan be nadu mtasngi hadu ka kandai tri ju banai Feb second session kan sedang nadu banai Feb kan kut biang kamtai haru mulai Feb. Kum ke jingi pembe jingi kalong ba nak kani ka camp kum ka club hing bukan ku ngin se ka kandang ya kani ka tournament. Jong ka under 10 under 8 under 10 under 12 under 14 sau category ngin se kandang naka ka tournament haka ba ngin se invite di club ki ba pair jong kani ka jela ba kini simenta hakini ki sau ti category jong kani ka tournament ka banlang hau banai Oktober since di puja. Nang ni ka tournament ngin sa select ki players ki banani ka camp bagi mikmat pa ka club hagani ka state league ka banlong hakya how nu banai December January but how banai May ka basi long man Snem te ki Khynnah ki badan hapok kani ka camp kamon ye dan kumba aspa spawon ti bala register kani ka camp umad baru ki Khynnah ki yo bani simenta hagani ka tournament ka ba an conduct da ka club ka jangi bat ka nepko daily bahkan di camp ngin sayo select players badanan ni na camp represent pat nak kamta ka club haka ya ka under 18 ya ka under 8 level under 10 level ya ka under 12 but under 14 tengi dan ru ka jing pembaj mah tangi dan ngidang dan pring ka jing keren bangi temu ban ra ban dalam yi Khynnah sabaru tang macpil ka tang ni ka jela de bangin dalam yi Khynnah sabar jungan ni ka jela kum ka state Assam Mizoram ba ka bangi ya ye dan ke jing ya kham ya jan jing itu tingi tumu bende simenta haka under 12 and 14 bangin dalam ikini Khynnah bangin simenta sekti ke jelano ke jing tumu jing ban dalam iki kalong ba ada ki yo ban lakai lang bat ku be Khynnah na ku jela kan jarap sibun iki ba ya ke experience ya ke exposure ke joki ma bagum juru ba kin ki ba khamtam e ban I mean sim show yaki ba ken nam pun klan show yeldi ba ken don ya ka sporting spirit ma am sim lakai ba ka thong ma ka bikin kiu sakmat mah.